and welcome to Beads Jar. My name's Billy and today I'm going to be showing you our how-to tutorial on these beautiful knitted wire mesh and ceramic earrings. So we're going to use this knitted wire mesh and also these beautiful ceramic spacer beads. We have some 2-inch headpins, some 6mm Swarovski crystals, some leather ends, sterling silver ear hooks and 4mm jump rings, as well as a selection of scissors, flat nose pliers, round nose pliers and side cutters. I'm going to start with the knitted wire mesh and I'm just going to cut 15cm strip length. As we're doing earrings, we want to do this a second time. I can now move that just to the side. The wire mesh is actually a tube, so you just want to open that and drop the ceramic bead into the tube. Repeat this for the second one as well. Sometimes if you just twist it a little, it opens up the meshing, making it easier. Once it's roughly central, you're actually just going to twist the top, like twisting a sweetie wrapper. And we're going to do the same on the bottom. So it's just going to look like a little sweetie wrapper there. And we're going to do the same again for the second one. And again, just turn that around and do it on the top. Onto these ends, we're going to attach the leather ends. We don't need all this, so roughly you want to judge how long that's going to be, which is about 6mm, and you're going to take that wire off. So do that on both sides of the earring. And whilst I've got the scissors in use, I'm just going to do the same on the second earring. So we're going to take the leather end, and this is a little bit fiddly, so just be a bit patient. You want to lay this twirled knitted wire mesh into there, and with a pair of flat nosed pliers you're going to start crushing over the sides of your leather end. Once you've attacked it from this angle, sometimes it's easier to just swap it round and then fold from the other side. This way you're not having to crisscross your hands over. If that's pushed it down a bit, just twist your mesh again so that the bead moves up and giving you more space on this side. So hold that and you just want to fold one side over with your flat nose pliers, and then you fold the other side over. On there. You can always just twist this if you want it to be a bit more secure. So we've basically created a little sweetie shape, and I'm just going to repeat that on the second earring. Both nice and secure there. Before I complete the tops of those, I'm just going to make my little Swarovski drop for the bottom. So with the head pin, go through your crystal bead and let it fall all the way to the bottom of the head pin. Take your round nose pliers and you're just going to place them above the crystal and approximately 3 or 4 millimeters into your pliers. Holding my hand nice and steady just to grip this, and then I'm going to push the head pin away from me to make my first angle. You then want to twist your pliers up, and we're going to bring the head pin all the way over the top of the pliers and down towards the bead mat. And this is going to create the start of our earring hook. You're then going to hook the wire through the leather end that we've got on the bottom here, and using our round nose pliers again, wrap about 2 twists, I would say, until you've started to touch the Swarovski with the wire, and then you take that excess wire off. So using your side cutters, if there's a tiny lip of wire, you can just fold that in. I've just used the flat nose to do that. So again, pop your Swarovski onto the head pin. Use your round nose pliers above the crystal and then push the head pin away from you. Move the pliers up and then bring the head pin over the top of the pliers and down towards the bead mat. And then you want to hook onto the leather end. Whoops, just missed that one. Place your pliers diagonally across the loop and just wrap around about twice. Again, if there's a tiny lip, just nudge that in with your flat nose pliers. Okay, so that's the main part of the earrings complete, and then we want to attach our earring hooks. So using the flat nose pliers, we're going to open the smaller jump ring. So you want to find the split in the jump ring, and then you push the top half away and bring the other side towards you. Hook that through the top leather end and also onto your ear wire. You then want to close these back together and really make sure there's no gaps when it's closed together again. That's one earring complete, and we're just going to finish off the second one. So taking the jump ring and push that away. Work onto your leather end and onto your earring hook. And then you just want to close that together again. And there we have a matching pair of sterling silver ear hook wires. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. We'll see you again next time. Goodbye.